Hello everybody. So in today's video I'm going to be drawing y'all a rickshaw, also called a tuk-tuk in other parts of the world. So I'm going to first start out by drawing the windshield. Next thing I'm going to start is with the body of it. Start out from here. I'm going to draw an arc shape for the wheel well. Then I'm going to do another arc from here till about here to connect the wheel weld. Since I'm over here, I'm going to do the tire next, or the rear tire. Just going to start with a half an arc. I'm going to draw a circle on the inside to show the rim. And then one more circle on the inside of this one. Now I'm going to do the front tire. Just going to first start out with the wheel well on this. Now I'm going to start out with the tire. I'm going to do another circle on the inside to show the rim. Now I'm going to draw the wheel assembly. This is by far the most smallest shock absorbers I've ever seen on a wheel, because the wheels of this is really little. I'm just going to go draw 3 lines. 1, 2, next thing I'm going to draw is the headlight that's mounted on this. And then I'm going to draw another curved line over here because it's got a chrome kind of an accent. I'm going to start out with the inside of the frame now. Draw a line from here. Just curve it down over here. Next I'm going to draw a curved line over here. Now I'm going to draw the turning signal, which is on the side over here. And then draw another curved line over here to show the orange and the clear light. I'm going to continue this part of the frame. And then I'm just going to bring it down over here. I'm going to continue this from here and bring it all the way till here. Now I'm going to draw the rear lights. Then I'm going to draw two lines inside this to show the difference in the light. And draw a line over here, again to show the difference in the paint colors when I do color it. Now I'm going to start with the center, which is a little metal, kind of like a division between the driver and the passenger. Then I'm going to draw the seat that the driver sits on, or the rider sits on, I'm sorry. I'm going to draw the cushion that the rider sits on. Then I'm going to draw the vents, because it's got something to do with the exhaust of the engine. I think it was the battery, if I'm not mistaken. These lines are just to show the actual vents. Draw some slanted lines. I'm going to draw a bar from the center of this to the top that holds the, what is it called? It's some sort of a rubberized material that covers the rickshaw. It's supposed to protect the passenger and the rider from the sun and the rain and all that. Now I'm going to draw a little box shape over here to show the actual meter that these things have. Now I'm going to draw the underneath of that wrapping. Curve it around over here and bring it down to here. I'm going to draw the top of the lining and start it from here. Bring it all the way to the back and then curve it down to here. Now I'm going to draw some curved lines on the top, different sections of the fabric, so it's not all one piece. And there we have it, people, our auto rickshaw, in other words, tuk tuk. So for the next part of this video, what I'm going to do is do a time lapse and color this in. Thanks for following along and maybe drawing, and I will see y'all on the next video. Bye for now.